Hello, I'm Tabby. I'm with Local Marketing Co. We wanted to send this screencast over to you guys to kind of see what we're seeing as your online presence and how you guys are showing up on the web. So first off, looking at your website, it's beautiful. It's nice to have a good picture starting out. It's very appealing to the eye. It's well organized. It's clean. It's modern. So that's really nice. The one thing that I would suggest is adding more content to your homepage. Google loves content, and that's what helps people rank is the amount of content that they have on their homepage. So the more content that you have, and that is going to be matching those things that people are searching for, the better your results will be and more traffic you'll bring into your site. So looking at your stats, that is like the one thing I see right here is the trust flow at a 0. Typically you want these numbers to be like the same ratio, so like 12 and 12. So that is one thing, is getting that content up on your site. And then I see you guys are ranking for a lot of organic keywords, but when I look at those keywords right here, not all of them are keywords that are buyer intent. So what that's meaning is that things that people are searching because they want your service right now. You're ranking for your business name, which obviously is a good thing. But a lot of them are just things like types of fencing, which you never know if people are searching those to purchase or if they're searching them to just learn about them. And I'll kind of go into your competitors and kind of show what they're ranking for in a second. So one of the higher ranking keywords in the area is fencing Everett Wa. You guys aren't on the first page, but you guys do have a few competitors in the area. And I'm going to show you right here, actually. There is 30 people searching for fencing Everett Wa a month. And while that's not a lot, people who are searching fencing Everett Wa are typically searching that because they want to get fencing in the area. So looking at your competitors for that keyword, I feel like your guys' site definitely looks a lot nicer and cleaner than theirs. And they do have a similar amount of content. So the reason they're up there is they have a little bit of trust with Google. They are only ranking for 25 keywords. But when you look at the keywords they're ranking for, they are buyer intent. So Everett Fence Company gets 20 searches a month. Fencing Everett Wa, 30. Fence Repair Everett Wa, 20. Everett Fence Company, 20. While you guys are based out of Lake Stevens, Everett is a close area, and it does say you serve all Snohomish County on your site. So these are definitely words you're going to want on your site to have you guys start ranking for those, because those are people searching for those things, that thing in your area that you could potentially rank for and get their service. Another competitor is North Sound Fence. Their site looks a little outdated a bit. It's not too bad. It's still kind of simple and clean. They don't have a secure website. And again, they are only ranking for 25 keywords. So when we take a look at theirs, a lot of theirs are buyer intent as well. So definitely recommend grabbing some of these words and throwing them on your homepage for you guys to start ranking for those. So that is like something you can do right now to help up your online presence and drive more traffic to your site. Those are just a few things, but getting more relative backlinks for your site that are going to help drive your website, because I see right now you only have 48 that are actually bringing power to your website, so that'll help get these numbers up. Is something we can do in getting ranking for relative keywords. So just a little bit of information thought might help, and if you guys want any more info or have any questions or want to see what we can do to help you guys push your site even further the top of all of those keywords, let us know and we'd be more than happy to work for you. Have a good day.